Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please, I want everybody to ask Tinubu and DSS what are they doing with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Blòod for over 50 times. My people, things they happen though. Come hear the latest message wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu send. Na as they talk. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don send message through his lawyer say for the whole world to know that what is going through inside the DSS, that the Nigerian government has been taking his blood for over 50 times, sending it to South Africa. I want you to watch this video and hear it with your own ear. Hear wetin these people they do to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside that place. Watch the video.
Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Today is the 17th day of September 2025. We just came out from a visit to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is in solitary confinement at the DSS. We had a meeting with him a short while ago, and this is the message he has sent, or he has asked us to send out to the world concerning the status of his health. This is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talking. The SSS, through their doctor, who was brought to replace another more competent doctor that actually discovered that he has a very dangerously low potassium in his bloodstream that can trigger heart failure at any time. This doctor, who is of DSS, is fully aware of the seriousness of the potassium depletion in his blood system. And yet, the DSS took samples of his blood system, his blood samples, to South Africa for analysis. The South African authority, after analyzing the blood sample, queried why the depletion of potassium in his body. The lab people in South Africa could not give any reason for the depletion of potassium in his system. The DSS facility here has also not been able to show or give reason why the depletion in potassium is consistent and persistent in his blood system. And the question Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is asking is, if there is nothing wrong with him, then what is the reason for the taking of blood samples from him for almost over 50 times? Why the consistent drawing of his blood in the name of going for analysis for more than 50 times? Why is it that his potassium continues to deplete despite all the medication that the DSS have been giving to him? To Nnamdi Kanu, we strongly believe that the medicines given to him by the State Security Service medical department is of no effect whatsoever. He also wants the world to know that he may have been poisoned in Kenya to the knowledge of the Nigerian authorities, but yet the Nigerian authorities choose not to give him the adequate medical treatment that he needs for his survival to face his trial. Nnamdi Kanu wants us to know that since he was born, he has never suffered diabetes before, nor has he suffered anything post-trem before. But due to the depletion of the potassium in his body, so many things have started going wrong with his internal organs. His pancreas, his prostate, and so many other things. His heart, so many other things. The kidney function is not functioning at optimal level. It's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's belief that the Nigerian judiciary is seriously being intimidated by the authorities. And that is why it appears that the judiciary is not helpful to him when it comes to issues of his health. Professor Araji, Professor Emeritus, a medical doctor, who is currently leading his medical team, had deposed to affidavit stating what he found that is wrong with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and recommending that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be taken before the National Hospital, which is a federal government-owned hospital, for proper medical attention. But unfortunately, the federal government of Nigeria, through the State Security Service, have refused to see reasons why he should be taken to the National Hospital that is here in Abuja. It is interesting to know that at each point in time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's medical checks was being conducted, the DSS will normally send 2 or more of their own in-house doctors to witness all examination. And they are fully aware of his medical condition. They are fully aware that since they kept giving him those medications they used to give him to improve his potassium, that it has not worked. His potassium continues to deplete, and this can lead to heart failure. The DSS and the federal government of Nigeria do not want Nnamdi Kanu to be taken to a proper medical facility where his health can be comprehensively taken care of. Even though no court has found him guilty yet he is being punished by refusing to help in building up his health. We want to tell Nigerians that it is only a man that is alive that can stand trial for any offense whatsoever. Nnamdi Kanu needs urgent medical attention. May I use this opportunity to also state that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not want to be discharged on sympathetic grounds. He does not want to be discharged on sympathetic ground. He wants to come out from this case with all the facts laid bare to the general public. And that is why he has urged that he wants to stand his trial, he wants to stand it as a healthy man, not as a man that is dying. And he does not want to be released because he is dying. He wants his health to be properly taken care of. And we are also saying, if the federal government does not want to take care of his health, probably because of the cost, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his supporters are offering to foot the bill of his medical health, provided we will be allowed to have proper medical attention. And we have also suggested, and we have chosen, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has approved, that he does not mind using the National Hospital, which is owned by the federal government and in the heart of the FCT also. Thank you very much. God bless us.
All of it.
My people, things are really happening. When I say things are really happening, things are really happening. Nigeria government is playing a tougher game on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is somebody's life because of he's an Igbo. Yes, he's an Igbo. That is why he's still there. Because he has the brothers who don't care about their freedom, but they care about their business. Things are happening. So with this kind of mentality, do you think that Igbo people will ever get freedom in Nigeria in this life? Answer the question and share this video. Don't forget to see there for Blabber Gist. As they watch, make sure they share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it they go. Stay tuned.